Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of generating additive and multiplicative patterns. This is standard 5.4C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 48 of the 2016 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a science test, and students earn extra points. So the relationship between the student's original test score and their final test score, including the extra points, can be represented by this equation here. So you notice we have a plus, which means we are dealing with an additive pattern. And it looks like they're earning 25 points. That's a lot of bonus points, so that's pretty good. So their original test score always looks like it's going to be this x right here. And then you're going to add 25 and you get your final test score, which is going to be this y. So we simply just need to match this equation with the table. So let's use a strategy called substitution. So let's do this. Y equals x plus 25. And so substitution is simply where we're going to take some numbers and substitute them in for variables. So let's take a look at x right here with f. So it's going to start with, this is our input here. Let's say that is 65. So we're going to say x equals 65 because I'm pulling that from the first row of the table. So I'm going to say y equals, instead of that x, I'm going to write 65 plus 25. We're going to add 16, 20, that makes 80. 5 and 5 make 90. So y equals 90. Which is what they say, so that's a possibility. So I'm just going to question mark this one. We're going to have to check another row just to make sure. Let's check this y equals x plus 25. Let's check g. We're going to let x equal 70 because that's on that first row. So y equals 70 plus 25, so that's going to get me 95. Oh, now that gives me 45. Look, you know what they did? They subtracted 25. So they just did the wrong operation. So G is out. Let's check our H. We're going to say, let's let X equal our 72. And we are going to say Y equals X plus 25. Substitute in that 72. Add that to 25. And we're going to get 97. All right, so H is a possibility. And then J, y equals x plus 25. And so y equals, we're going to say x is 70 here. 70 plus 25. So y equals 95. No, I don't even know where they got this. This is like a minus 45 here. So J is out. So it's between F and H, which means let's go to the second row for each. So let's see what we can do here. On F, we're going to look at 70 this time. And so we're going to say X equals 70. And so let's just do it right up here. So we're going to say Y equals X plus 25. Y equals, my x is 70 plus 25, so y equals 95. So that looks pretty good. And right here, let's look at this 78. And you know what, we can just kind of shortcut this right here. We could just kind of do plus 25. So does 78, that's going to be 90, that's 103, so that looks good. We're going to do a little plus 25 right there. So that's going to be 110. So that F is looking pretty good. So it looks like we're going to have a breakdown here. And let's see, we've got a plus 25. And this is going to be a plus 25, and that's looking pretty good. Look at this right here. It's actually a plus 15. So you had to go all the way to that third row to realize that H is incorrect. So we could have substituted that. So our answer here is going to be F.